You want a tip?
Yeah, some tips
No, you tell me. What do you need to do to get a good physique? You tell me.
to get a regular exercise and
One, yes.
have a good diet
Two, yes.
and practice like just
Yes.
Just stay
Every
on
day.
that thing.
Consistency.
yeah,
No, that's what you're trying to say. Consistency.
yeah,
Little bit every single day.
yeah.
And finally, you get success. You have just given a tip yourself to everybody else.
Oh. Thank
See,
you.
you know it all. अच्छी तरह डिसॉल्व कैसे हो जाता हूँ डिसॉल्व इन्वॉल्व सब एक बात है करेक्ट बोला एक्चुअली डिसॉल्व इज अ बेटर वे टू से दैट मैं हर रोल में डिसॉल्व कैसे हो जाता हूँ जैसे कि आपने अभी देखा जब उसने हेड स्टैंड किया यहाँ पर तो वो उस हेड स्टैंड में वो डिसॉल्व हो गया था बिकॉज ही गेव एवरीथिंग टू दैट फुल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन whatever you do in life you have to know that you have to do it to the best of your ability. Whatever you do, it doesn't matter if the work you do, अगर जो तुम काम करते हो वो बड़ा है या छोटा है उसका कुछ मायने नहीं रखता है. You can be doing playing an actor or you can be sweeping the floor. No, whatever you do, you gotta do it to the best of your ability. And if you do that, you will be successful in whatever you do. Correct? So that's what I do. I put my heart and soul into it and I do it for you. I do it for all of you. I do it for the world. And then I get something back.